Well, I'm back on this Hardinge HC Hand Chucker, and I got the electrical compartment open, and it looks real good. This one's wired 220, so that solves some problems, and it's just really quite a mechanism in there. Here's the switches here. That connect to the two handles with these linkages. I'll try to work them, and you can see those work. But one of the interesting things about Hardinge is, this is really pretty complicated setup here. But these things are really reliable, and after years and years, these things have very little problem. I'm pretty lucky. I've got the wiring schematic and the operator's manual still tucked in that pocket. That's nice to see that. But it's really kind of an interesting setup there. Let me try to work those switches and see if I could hold this camera and do it. Okay, this is the upper switch. See that? And this is the lower one. I think that's forward and neutral and reverse. And this would be for the speed controller. Okay. It's just so simple mechanically, and little levers and things. Very clever. Very clever. Okay, come on around. And what I'm doing is I got this machine for next to nothing, and I stole a travel dial off it. I'm going to put on the axles and lathe. And this really nice Mitutoyo KA counter came on that axis, and I think it's really out of place, but that's just me. But I think it's going to be just a really good addition to this chucker. I don't know where to put it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Figure it out somehow. But yeah, it's still pretty nasty. I'm going to put some more of that acetone and ATF on here and scrub this a little bit. I think this is just going to be a great little machine. And I'll clean it up a little and have a look at it later that way. But I've got a lot of good projects here to do. I got the collar closer for it too. And here's a project here. Let me get out of the shadows here. No, you don't see one of those every day. That is a genuine Maytag wash machine motor. I need to put that on something like an old balloon tire bicycle. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But okay. So you can see what I have to deal with here, folks. It's tough. So I'll get back.